So here's how to recover your hacked Roblox account without necessarily needing your email and phone number. So first, what you want to do is open your browser and then head to roblox.com/support. Now go to under the contact us section. You will be asked to enter your date of birth, so you'll need to enter your date of birth and then click on continue. Now you will need to fill out all of these informations, your username, your first name, your email address, and then confirm your email address again, and then describe the issue details. And then under the issue detail, you want to pick your platform, and then for the type of help category, you want to select on account hacked or can't log in, and then help subcategory, you want to select account hacked. Now to describe your issue, you can use the following message. So you want to tell them my Roblox account has been hacked and both of the email and phone number linked to it have changed, and you no longer have access to the account and cannot recover using the usual recovering options. Then you want to mention your username again, and then your previous email before the change, the email that was linked to your account, and then an approximate last login date when you last logged into your account, and then describe what happened. For example, received suspicious message or saw an account activity you didn't do, something along these lines. Then you want to tell them I am the original owner of this account and can provide any additional information required to verify your identity, and tell them that you won't need help as soon as possible, and then you can click on the continue. Now once you press continue, that should send them this request, and they should get back to you within 2 business days. Now sometimes may ask you for additional information to prove the ownership of the account. Now as long as you are the owner and you know these info, you should be able to provide any additional info they request from you. And then once they verify you are the original owner, they will help you to recover your account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.